guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to do the alorsondanse TikTok trend. So for that, we have to go on our TikTok app, then you have to click on discover, and then here at the search bar, you have to write alorsondansechallenge. So just like this. Then you'll have to click on the first video that pops up. So it's from Yuzi Mango. So click on this one. Then you have to click on the share button. And then you'll have to click on duet. After that, you will have to click to layout. And then here, as you can see, I have 3 options, and the option that is missing is the green screen. So you will have to click on the green screen if you have it. Right now, it's not available for me. And if you also have this problem, I will do a tutorial to fix it. So again, you have to click on the 4th option, which is green screen, and then you have to record your video, and that's it. I hope you liked this video, guys, and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.